Moving over to Maui, residents impacted by the August wildfires can now pre-register for help on preventing foreclosure and rebuilding. It'll help homeowners rebuild, pay off mortgages, prevent foreclosures, apply for grants and loans, and get financial counseling. This is all thanks to a partnership between Maui nonprofits, organizations, and state offices launched in Lahaina Homeowner Recovery Program. Applications for the program interest form open next Monday, July 15th. To register, look for the link on our website. Just go to kitv.com/link.